Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. Happy Saturday. I am sharing with you today my first DT project, and this is for Rachandbella Crafts, my good friend. I am really very happy with this project. Firstly, because I used a beautiful kit from Rachandbella Crafts and it is called Perseverance Kit. I used this kit already before, but again, this is my first official DT project. Secondly, this journal is made with lots of blue, and when I see blue, I feel calm and peace, and it makes me really happy. So I call this journal Happy Blue Junk Journal. I still consider this a junk journal because I still used some elements or materials that are from my recycling bin. Third reason why I'm very happy with this journal is because of this beautiful necklace in blue and gold. And this is very, very beautiful. Fourth, this journal is full of wonderful vintage ephemera. You can see this is looking very chunky, and that is because I fill this with beautiful ephemera from my stash. I have here beautiful vintage postcards that are original, and then prints from the Holy Land that are also vintage. And so there's really a variety of great ephemera. And lastly, this journal comes with beautiful trims and pieces of fabric that are from my stash and also from my purchase from my friend Mehataj from India. And I enjoy the process of making this journal. This only has one signature. The size is 7.5 by 6 inches. There's a lovely trim that decorated the spine, and some of the edges are decorated as well. It has a soft cover, and this pretty image again is from the Perseverance kit. Look at that. The middle of the signature is decorated with this beautiful sodalite gemstones, and sodalite is known to assist with giving wisdom, creativity, and clarity of thought, which is very close to what this journal represents. It has plenty of beautiful verses and sentiments that are from the Perseverance kit. And this journal looks like this has been used already, full of beautiful treasures, photos, and memories. So let us take a look inside. There are beautiful original envelopes. I left them empty, and most of my ephemera are Canadian. And then look at this beautiful image. I love her. And it is decorated with vintage lace as pocket, and again, beautiful sentiments and verses. This is a coffee-stained library card, and I have plenty of original postcards. Okay, so you know the drill. I will let the music play, and then I will meet you in the end.
This world I see, it calls to me. I hear its voice, make my choice. Yesterday is swept away. Why don't we chase our dreams? In this moment we could be evermore, ever free. Take my hand, my heart, my life, I'll be yours. Time unwinds words and rhymes here in this wonderland. Hopes and dreams play their themes here in this wonderland.
Our stories told, our lives unfold, hearts beat on and join the song. I'm still yours.
Time unwinds words and rhymes here in this wonderland. Hopes and dreams play their themes here in this wonderland. This world I see, it calls to me. I hear its voice. Time unwinds words and rhymes here in this wonderland. Hopes and dreams play their themes here in this wonderland. Wonderland. Moonchild, moonchild, staring at the sky. Heaven only knows what you're dreaming of tonight. And the skyline, skyline is a fading light. But it seems like the stars ain't never shine so bright. Staring at the sky. Heaven only knows what you're seeing in your mind. And the skyline, skyline is a fading light. But it seems like the stars ain't never looked so bright. But it seems like the stars ain't never shine so bright. I've settled down in this town, full of light, full of sun, quiet place, and the wind is whispering. Far from troubles and doubts, there's no need for any rush. Close your eyes and try to realize. But still I'm searching for a better life. And still I'm not sure what it's all about. The meaning of living is still my guide, and hope is what is keeping me alive. fast, going slow, climbing high, falling low. When you know what your aim is, it all makes sense. What you hear, yes or no, who is staying here, who will follow. Go ahead and never turn around. But still I'm searching for a better life. And still I'm not sure what it's all about. The meaning of living is still my guide, and hope is what is keeping me alive. Miles away and many roads, you've seen this life from 100 points. Sometimes it's fun and sometimes it's sad. While searching for a better world, you've lost yourself, so what's the point? And then there is this sign you get. The meaning of your life is to go ahead. But still I'm searching for a better life. But still I'm not sure what it's all about. The meaning of living is still my guide, and hope is what is keeping me alive. Still I'm searching for a better life, and still I'm not
So there you go, everyone. This is my Happy Blue junk journal full of beautiful ephemera using the beautiful Perseverance kit from Rachandbella Crafts. And there are 3 or 4 digital ephemera that I used here, which are also from Rachandbella Crafts. Thank you again, everyone, for watching this video. I hope you like this. Thank you for supporting my channel. And if you are not subscribed and you like what you see, please consider joining my YouTube family. Hit that subscribe button. Please know that I appreciate you all. All my information will be in my description. Also, the link for Rachandbella Crafts Perseverance Kit will also be in the description. Thanks, everyone. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.